Welcome back, guys, to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss that's crucial for any business or marketer. But I just want to let you know, guys, while I'm talking about this really important discussion, I'm gonna draw. I like to scribble while I'm talking, so I hope you don't mind. So this video is about building an email list from scratch. So in this video, we'll walk you through I'm gonna walk you through the entire process, how to collect email address and grow your subscribe base. So if you're ready to take your email marketing to a new level, let's dive right into this video. So now the first step in building a successful email list is understanding your target audience. That's really essential. If you don't know who you are targeting, then you don't really know how you can change, how can you understand like their pains, their frustration. So probably I don't know if you heard this before, but I heard this that you have to understand your target audience. But indeed, it's very important because who are the people you want to reach with your emails? So now it's really essential to take your time and define your ideal subscriber based on demographics, interests, and preferences. So you have to know your audience will really help to create content, and really this offers a different relationship with your audience because you start to resonate with their pain when you're starting to build your email list. So it's really important to learn how you can build a list from scratch, but it starts from really understanding your audience. Now you have also to choose an email marketing service. Now you have to look for an email marketing service to manage your list and campaigns. There are many excellent options out there like Mailchimp and ConvertKit, and choose one that is the right fit for you, that offers features like automation, analytics, and user-friendly sign-up forums. Now, step number 3, you have to create a compelling lead magnet. All right. So to entice people to join your email list, you need to compel a lead magnet. Right. So this could be anything from exclusive ebook to useful checklist or webinar that offers valuable insights. Your lead magnet should address your audience pain points and provide a solution they can't resist. So build your web ebook or something, so that way you can get their emails. And now you also have to design an opt-in form. Now that you have the lead magnet ready, it's time to create an attractive opt-in form. So place this form strategically on your website, such as homepage, maybe sidebar, or even dedicated landing page. That's also really really important because the conversion rate is really high on the landing page. So keep it simple, easy to fill out, so visitors are more likely to subscribe. Now you can also try pop-up opt-ins, can be effective, can be but yeah, you have to be careful not to overdo it and annoy your visitors. So consider using pop-outs or timed pop-ups that appear after a specific period. This way you can capture email addresses without interrupting the user experience. Now, regularly you have to publish high quality, relevant, and valuable content on your website or blog. This will not only attract organic traffic but also encourage visitors to subscribe to your email list for more valuable updates. Now you can also use social media. Social media is really powerful, and that's way you can promote your lead your lead magnet and opt in for some forms across your social platforms. So yeah, engage with your followers, encourage them to subscribe to receive exclusive content and offers. Also, guest blogging and relevant websites in your niche can help you reach a broader audience, including a compelling call to action in your guest post, inviting readers to subscribe to your email list for more valuable insights. That's also important. Now, webinars and live events are a fantastic opportunity to capture email addresses. So, they require participants to register using their email addresses to attend the event. It's a win-win situation, as they will gain valuable knowledge and you can grow your subscriber base. Now, with the majority of users accessing emails on their mobile devices, it's crucial to ensure your website and emails are mobile friendly. That's really important, because sometimes you're working on your website, but then if you try to test your to see the way it works on your on your phone, then probably there's some problems there. Maybe it's not working. So that's why maybe test your website on a smartphone. This will really ensure there's a good experience for your smooth experience for your subscribers. Now, everyone loves a good contest or maybe a giveaway. So contest can really help organize fun. It's really fun. A contest, a giveaway. You can ask participants to enter using their email address, and it's a really great to. It's a great way to attract and attract new subscribers and just generate some excitement overall. Now you can also utilize the data you've collected to personalize your emails and segment your subscriber list based on interest and behavior. This will ensure that each subscriber receives relevant content, increasing engagement and conversions. Now, keep a close eye on your email marketing performance using the analytics provided by your email marketing service. Analyze opt-in rates, click-through rate, and conversions to optimize your strategy and improve your results. Now, the end, guys, the conclusion is that building obviously an email list from scratch will take time and effort, that's for sure. But it's really important to work on your brand and your business. Make sure you stay consistent, provide value to your subscribers, and yeah, that wraps up our step-by-step guide on how to build an email list from scratch. This is my personal opinion. I'm no professional. Just someone that tried, and just it's just from my experience. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials, for more strategies. So thank you for watching. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.